Hey everybody, Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today I want to talk to you about whether or not a revocable living trust gives you asset protection. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have any estate planning questions, you need help, this sparks something that you want to do, you can go to estatemeeting.com and set up a time to talk with us over the phone for free. estatemeeting.com. All right. First of all, let me get this out of the way. If you're watching this on video at any time in the future, I am not in Seattle right now. I don't know what the weather's like. I'm in California, and that's why it's warm and everybody's happy and it's amazing. But I couldn't wait to share this information with you because I like you. All right, and this is actually a potential client call that I was on this morning. Again, I can't stop talking to you guys no matter what. I just love it. And this topic came up about revocable living trusts and asset protection. Revocable trust typically will give your beneficiaries asset protection when you're gone. And by asset protection, what I mean is assets that are in the trust. If you're a down the line beneficiary and you get a divorce, you file for bankruptcy, you are sued for something, the assets that are in that trust will actually be protected from all of those things. Okay, that's what we mean by asset protection. But with a revocable living trust that is yours, that you have created, that you are the trustee and the beneficiary of, there is no asset protection, unfortunately. The reason for that is because of the upside to owning and having a revocable living trust, which is you have complete control and authority over the trust while you're alive. What that means is you have the ability to move things in and out of the trust. You have the opportunity to change the terms of the trust. You basically have complete control and flexibility over the trust during your entire life. Because you have this high level of control and high level of flexibility, you don't get asset protection. Asset protection comes when you have low control and low flexibility. That's why your beneficiaries, after you are gone, have asset protection, because they have essentially no control, they have no flexibility over how assets are handled or distributed. The terms of the trust are what control, and the trustee, if they have discretion, then controls those distributions, which although is bad for the beneficiaries if they want something right now, is good for them because it provides that asset protection. Okay? Hopefully that made sense. To summarize real quickly, revocable living trust while you're alive, no asset protection because you have a high level of control and flexibility. When you are gone, your beneficiaries have high asset protection because they have low control, low flexibility. All right, that's it. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, or podcast, or whatever, wherever you're at, if you like this, hit the like button. If you know someone needs to hear it, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. And again, if you need a trust, if you have questions about a trust, if you have questions about anything related to estate planning, please go to estatemeeting.com. You can set up a time to talk with us over the phone for free, estatemeeting.com. All right, that is it for me today. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you again soon.